Okay, novice class final. So naagi po diri sa Caraga, Davao Oriental. Novice production final. Wara, ibuhian na. Wow, hole shot. Oops. Hole shot. Wow, jangan bola nangis. Tuwara. Wow. Jangan bola nangis, Carla Rivera. Ken Flores, Rayo Ipanag. Tuwara. Wow. Sabayan si Babaw. Rayo versus Ken. Wow. 16 versus 15 anyos. Up. Punti ka na dun. Tuwara. Waswasana ito na Max. Oh, novice production final. Waswasana ito na Max. Tuwara. Carla Rivera versus Rayo. Oops. Wow. Tuwara. Ken Flores ang GPW. Oops. Allah. Novice production final. Oops. Battle of second. John Polarangis on the lead. Waswasana ito na Max. Ikaw pa at Ken Flores, GBW. Ayan. Allah. Oops. Allah. Wow. Allah. Grabe. Rayo Ipanag versus Carla Rivera. Ayan, nakuha si Carla ni Rayo. Si Rayo Ipanag. Third, Carla Rivera. Ayun, no? Wow. Yan, Lao Joyce. Kind of jazz. Robe. Oops. Jan Polarangis on the lead. Oops. Wow. Carla Rivera on third. Ken Flores, ikaw pat. Yan. Wow. Still on the lead, Arangis. Rayo Ipanag on second. Dyan lang sa likuran ang batang 15 anyos. Wow. Tuwara. Carla Rivera on third. Novice production final here in Caraga, Davao Oriental. Ayun, no? Wow. John Polarangis on the lead. Overlap. Overlap. Still on the lead, John Polarangis on second, Rayo Ipanag on third, Carla Rivera on fourth, it's Ken Flores and GBW. Nagadol na si Rayo kay Arangis. Magandang laban, binigtiyay. Hope section. Tuwara. Unti-unti nang dumidikit si Rayo kay Arangis. Oh, magandang laban, bay. Kamay na lang kulang, bay. Ala, battle of first, battle of first. Ala. Dikit, white flag, last lap. Last lap. Ala. Overlap, ha, overlap. Tuwara. Ala ka, nakadikit na gino. Ala. Hop section, hop section. Hop section. Hop section. Ala. Tuwara. Dikit ang laban, ha, Arangis versus Rayo. Ala ka. Ops. 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 Ala. Checkered flag, Arangis, champion, Nobis Production. Second, Rayo Ipanag. Magandang laban. John Paul Arangis, champion. Second, Carla Rivera. A third, Carla Rivera. Fourth, Ken Flores. And GBW. So magandang laban. Carla Rivera on third, Rayo on second. John Paul Arangis champion, novice category here in Caraga, Davao Oriental.